I opened the fridge. Nothing looked good, so I closed it. 10 minutes later. Okay, maybe now? Nope, still nothing. Still disappointed. This is my life now. Just me and this sad, empty fridge. We're locked in a cycle. Open, close, open, close. It's like we have beef. But then I remembered something. My mom said she went grocery shopping yesterday. Maybe there are snacks. Maybe even ice cream. I rushed to the kitchen with renewed hope. And you know what? She was right. There were snacks and ice cream. Lots of ice cream. I grabbed everything within reach. Don't judge me, it's been a rough week. Then I sat down on the couch, turned on Netflix, and started eating. The fridge didn't say anything, probably because it couldn't talk. But if it could, it would probably be proud. Proud that its owner finally found some joy in their otherwise bleak existence. Moral of the story? Everyone deserves a snack break.